Good day, everybody from the YouTubes. All right, so as you saw last week, I did, or not last week, a while ago, but a couple weeks ago now, I did the Xbox 360, which is sitting right there. Now let me readjust this cam here. Sorry. Here we go. All right, perfect. So I placed an order online. If you look here, stick's pretty worn out. Sorry. So today we're gonna refurbish an Xbox 360 controller. Should be pretty fun. So I came with multiple thumbsticks, brand new. They seem pretty good quality. You can tell they look pretty good. Came with the special torque screwdriver thing piece, which actually has a hole in the tip of it. If you can see that. So the Xbox has like a special like Torx bit with a hole in it. This came with the kit. So now this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna open up this and yeah, learn together. Now mind you, I've been messing around with things like this forever, since the earliest childhood memories I can remember. I've always taken apart my toys and crap like that. Anyways, here we go. Seems fairly self-explanatory, I think. And I'm gonna do a pretty deep clean because I haven't had this particular Xbox for 15 years, but I sold my last one, and then I bought this one like a little over a decade ago. I'm not sure if it's 15 years, but it was about a decade ago I bought this. Time flies when you're having fun, eh? There we go. 2, 3, 4, I think 6, and then maybe I think there's one. Yeah, that's totally one behind that sticker there. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody has, safety. Yep. Okay, so that's, I think that's the only one. I don't know, maybe there's something underneath that. Maybe that's what this is for. Damn, there's a lot of crusty in here. First, let me just I'm gonna have to cut that out. Here, and then do a circle. Pop out. Yeah, it's like, oh, you're like, maybe back in the day this was cool to not void, but like now, bro, like there's no warranty left on this shit. That's not even a fucking screw. 7 screws. Okay, I see it. It's in the barcode. Thank you, iFixit. Ah, there it is, right there, everybody. That's it, right there. That's the one. So I was flying at the wrong one. Now, preserving these aren't important anymore. I guess they were back in the day when you had warranty and stuff, but now without warranty, I'm just gonna grab that piece and why I gotta grab the biggest thing on the table there? These bad boys right here. There we go. Perfect, found it. Thank God I decided to look instead of continuing to yank. Hey, we're learning together. That's what we're doing. We're learning together. And if you already know how to do this, hopefully you're enjoying your time here. I like to watch people do things like this on YouTube just for the fun of it because I find it soothing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Back in the day, they used to give you an ability to unclip the... Wow. Now they just solder these shits directly to the board, and it makes it for an annoying repair process. I've decided to keep them just in case. Alright. This looks cool. It's like... Oh, wow. So it's got its own like little potentiometer, I guess, to distinguish like how far it's being pressed in. This is very different. Doesn't appear to be screwed down anywhere. Should just be able to push on the back of the board here. Yeah, look at that. It should just pop out, but it's holding on to something somewhere. So before we continue to force that, you scroll down, iFixit a bit. Detach the battery packs. Rumble packs. Oh. So it says, make sure the front half of the controller is facing towards you. So it'd be like so. PCB simply just lifts out to no force being held by areas highlighted. Bump and bump. Oh, okay, I see it. So if I bring it like so. Man, this is really, there's gotta be, oh yeah, okay, so this, oh, that is cool. Okay, so somehow, with this part down, in and under, this holds it in enough. Man, that needs to be washed. Look at all that freaking gaming butter. Fucking skin cells and whatever else. Alright, let's see what this looks like. You know what, for an old controller, it actually looks really good. Out with the old. So they used copper in here. That's why these sticks lasted so much longer than the new ones. Okay, so I've been wondering why new thumbsticks are so much shittier than the old ones. Look at this. They used copper inside, and that's why like these things never drift. Like they were made with higher quality parts. Way higher quality parts. So I'm just gonna, I guess, give it a quick, oh wait, see a little bit of liquid here. Is that liquid? I'm gonna give this board a quick clean, and probably gonna, I don't know, should I put some dielectric? So I got some non-conductive dielectric, I got some, but they look really freaking good. I don't even know. There's no dust in here. Like, these look amazing. Yeah, they're good. Yeah, man. They built these things with actual, like, even the PCB, look how thick that is compared to, like, today's standard. A lot better quality. Okay. So I'm going to put this aside, and then we're going to replace the thumb grips. I'm going to do them both because even this one here, like, even though it's still kind of usable, it's just, like, super soft and, like, slippery. There's no more. And then this one here is a whole chunk out of it. So, yeah. I'll throw these out right now so I don't get mixed up with them. And then we'll grab the new ones. Grab the two ones back here. I got a bunch more, so I plan on buying at least 3 more 360 controllers to create 4 controllers. I do want to get my hands on another Modern Warfare 3 controller. Again, that came with my console back in the day. I used it so freaking much, like, and then I just, I think I threw it out. Like, I don't know what. It was so messed up. Ooh. That's a bit loose. It's not a good. These are not like that. It should not happen. See, look, it's on, and then it just falls off, bro. Loosey goosies. That's gonna reflect. I mean, I guess you can't exactify reproduction, but I'd rather it be too tight than fucking, it's like throwing a hot dog down a hallway. There's nothing I can do. Well, I guess I could. What would we, oh my god, I just had this crazy idea. Okay, bear with me. I'm gonna use plumber's I have some. Sorry. No. That kind of sucks. Like, only time. Do this one. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, you know what I could do? $23 for these and a screwdriver. Yeah. Oh, I'll figure something out. If I just focus here. Oh, what's this? Oh, come on. Not there. Not here. So much stuff. Oh. Just lots of stuff. Maybe. That's really much case. You can feel it flopping around one thing. It's not tight. There's some. We'll share some. Oh. Here's what it is. At least there's new thumbsticks. You have to haggle a little bit. That's right. And scissors. So this nice cuts. Let's get this right out of the way. Do it nice. Just kind of push it away. Okay. About. Ouch. Up there. Here. Okay. A little bit purify. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I'll just shove it down. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, let's see how shove it down. Shove it. Squash it. It's a little less now, and it's more durable, but it's all squashing. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. I need that on. I'm almost be sure that that Kevlar plumbing tape is perfect. Find it. It just has to be. How do you like it? Potato. Piece of fabric from one of those reusable shopping bags. So if I cut a nice square in it, like so, and then place it above the nipple or the thumb, whatever you want to call it, and then just try to shove it in. There it is. It's the spot. And just come on now. No. Stupid. Go on, hold it there for a second. It's just gonna want to be like exactly like this. Oh, oh, yo, that is. There is no play. You know what? And also too, like even if it's just like that, I think that might just be okay. It feels fine. I don't notice it. You know what? I think that might actually work. So just get a piece of like, because this stuff is durable, right? So it doesn't rip or tear or whatever. Just a piece of shopping bag. Find where the thing is, and then align it exactly. So if we're gonna go, I'm gonna go for the side view. Try to exactly like that. Look at that. You just want to line it up nicely. Kind of like that, and then just give a little push, not too crazy. Give it a little indent so it can kind of stay on. Kind of what I did for the last one there. Nice little indent so it stays on, and we line them up exactly. Come on. Stupid that I have to do this. And it's also dumb too. This cost me $23. Should have just bought the freaking box of 100 on eBay for 20 bucks. That's probably where these came from. Somebody put it on Amazon. Come on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Look at that. So now, I'm not exactly sure how durable or how long, but I do know there is no wobble now, and they're not coming off. They should be all right. So I mean, I'll test it out. Worst case scenario, it's not all right, and then it just doesn't. You know what? Let me clean this up real quick. Something. Let's take it out here. Alcohol. Just quickly go through. The gaming butter. Oh my goodness. I'm trying more protein in this than a McDonald's sandwich. Look at that. Huge. Definitely not a lot. This is a box controller, maybe 4 people. Enjoy this line for sure. I have a habit of snacking while I play. I remember the Grand Theft Auto 5 came out. GTA 5. Bought on 360 and installed multiple discs. Finally got the thing up and running, and I never put this thing out for like ever. I've eaten dinner, it's not everything. And back then, I never cooked for myself. I just ordered in because it was so cheap. Back in the day, it was cheaper to eat from a restaurant than to cook. And the reason why is because every time I bought groceries, something like that, I always go rotten. Because I never wanted to cook. I never really cared to like want to cook on sushi, just want rotten. Actually, I remember this stuff to go like. So once you get the things kind of in, I guess. Should watch that too. But you know, I'm back to my initial system. I thought because I rewatched it, I sounded like a ding dong. Maybe I should have music playing this and talk. One thing I want to do. I think other people do it. So finally, alright, here we go. So now, ew. I'm crying out loud. I got all the butter. Why is it still like? It's probably a bunch of wee bits too. That's probably what it is. Just put it in there. What the fuck? What the shit was underneath, bro? Was it mine? Something wrong here. Oh no, it was on top. That's what it was. There we go. So we'll push that in. Make sure the pins thing is in nicely, and these things, battery terminals, contacts, and then this thing goes on top. No, I don't even darn it. It's tall. There we go. Just make sure you get them in the corners. Here we go. Oh man, no, we don't want to do all that. Do not want to do all that. Keep together. There. Just releasing thumbstick. I'm trying to. Now this should be enough. Let me just slide it over. Are you crazy? You are crazy. It's just falling out again. Stay on track. Like about the books. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh, yo, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. That is why all of this is going weird for me. I got the freaking, what you call it? Dang rumbles in, bro. Instead of doing it that way, I'm going to do it this way. Put more back on front. Should these go up or get below? These go above or below? They definitely go above. Good. And this. Plug in. So. The other one. Get plugged in. So. Drop it. So probably walk away from that side. Just like that. Right. Easy. Okay. Wait a second. Need this one. Yeah. So this goes under like that. This is annoying. The music is actually cool. There we go. No. Yes. It's gotta get it harder. There we go. Now it's all in and connected. Go, there we go. Nice. That was good. I think just this goes on the turns like so. Turn good. Before. Oh yeah, those feel amazing. It sucks that I had to, but yeah. Reusable bag fabric will allow you to get them in like snug, too, very snug. Perfect. Alright. We're screwed all back there, ready? Here. That right there. Don't forget that one. And then backwards. There's the jump. Push it down. Okay, go above. Same with this side, taking one more. Oh, I didn't know that's how we're going to do it. That's what she does. There you go. And she does kind of cheap. So a little bit bigger. Go. Come on now. These special type works. They're not going out with well. I guess they're trying to it kind of suck at the same time. I remember somebody that, these kind of things. Just making them just stand there and fill it stuff. I don't feel this one, John. Oh, it's good. Feels good. These are much easier for just all him. Also, just control that. It's just one more. Just one more. Easy fix. Easy fix. Alright. Oh, battery's back on. Oh yeah, this feels so much better. And more grip. Excited to let's go. Call of Duty, single player, Spec Ops, zombies. War Nazis. What's going on here? Oh, the Xbox itself is taking a while to launch up. Hold on, let me check the television here. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I'm just loading. There we go. Man, it took a while for this thing to turn on. I'm not used to the, so used to quick resume and how everything just turns right on, you know? Guess I wouldn't know about that one, but everything works fine, everything works perfect. Alrighty, the guys and ladies and gentlemen, so if you do end up buying thumbsticks like this, and they don't quite fit well. They're pretty loosey-goosey. Just cut a piece off of a reusable bag. I took the piece off the handle here. Make a couple little squares. Place them on, whoops, sorry, don't look at that. Place them on top, like you saw. And yeah, man, they're solid. So, and they feel perfect. Oh, I can use this. I forgot that little your social character there, the Banam there. He wobbles his head, wobbles his head, wobbles his head, and now he's dizzy. His eyes are going wee 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 wee. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.